All right, 23 colors, laser etched, pressure sensitive, or heat applied. Do you have a clue on what just launched? Because Faux Suede patches are now available. All right, who doesn't love when new products launch? Because I know I love it. Now, like I said, this particular product has 23 colors available. There is a wide range of colors at that. And with the smooth, velvety finish, just because it is laser etched, you're not going to lose that really smooth suede finish once your fingers touch this. Now, the other thing to consider is that laser engraving is going to give you a high contrast detail. So you are going to have a monochromatic finish, but you can change the colors simply by choosing to do a stitch detail around the patch if you would like. Now, this does need to stay with a uniform backing, and if you're not quite sure what that means, it just means you can't have any free floating text or free floating elements. Everything has to be encapsulated. Now, this goes cotton and polyester blends, but the really cool thing to also consider is that it can go as small as 0.5 by 0.5. So that's an excellent, really small size for little branding elements. Think beanies, headwear, sleeves, shorts. There's a variety of different places where that small 0.5 by 0.5 can come into play. Now, you can get this also available in pressure sensitive and heat applied. So if you aren't too familiar with our flex style or patches and emblems, just know that there is a pressure sensitive and a heat applied option for majority of those products in the patches and emblems category. All right, guys, Faux Suede is live. Go have some fun with it. And of course, make sure you tag us on social media. That way we can see what you've come up with. I'm Kelly Walters. Thanks for tuning in and happy decorating.